My taco. Hey, little guy. You wanna go inside? Uh-oh. The cats don't like it. I don't think so. Ooh. Ooh. Feisty. I think the cats are very curious. What's gonna happen? Come, Taco. Shh, shh. Taco. Come on. Curiosity. Look at that. Come on, Taco. Everybody's on alert. You guys want to gang my ferret, right? It's not gonna happen, no. Look at the cats. They all have backups. And just my taco alone. Don't worry, buddy. You got me. I ain't gonna let them gang you. Alrighty. Ooh. They'll all love each other one day. No worries. Ooh. That one is a playful one. Ain't gonna hurt it. Taco, everybody's resting? Alrighty. It's time to go inside. Alright, it's getting dark out here. So, hi, buddy. Hi. Alright, Taco, you want to go inside now? Taco? Come on, buddy. Come. Come on. Taco? Ooh, this is not looking good at all. Come on. Ooh, okay. Ooh, still not taking any chances. Hear that hiss?